All right, so again, the producer them don't have anything to do. Y'all saw some balloons. Apparently, we're supposed to get the balloons somehow between our legs and then drop them in that bucket. And we can't use our hands, so we have to do a little thing.
Is that get ready thing? Yeah. You don't say animal. Watch out.
Yeah.
It's TV. You don't even say go. You don't use it. Yeah.
Thank you, you put it in.
What kind of workout thing this them? Yeah man, boom out. Boom out now.
Yeah.
No.
We just create a new dance. Do the balloon. The balloon.
No, shut up.
Do the balloon.
Never stop.
But you still have one over there, you know, so I can't wait till tomorrow, you know. I have one over there.
Yes, I go on now.
No, wait, I'll give you a chance. I'll get bossy and do it all backwards.
You look like an ostrich. It now. Yeah, man. See it now go in. It now stay. It's not in the bucket. It's not in the bucket. Jesus. You don't say yeah, that's a good sport. Okay, go home. Go home. Let's go home.
Okay.
He's not a good sport. How much of the show you can do like this? Oh, you have a balloon in there.
Hey, Jody. Oh, me
and it's a George's balloon.
I forget that me and Jody are not television friends anymore.
Seriously? We're still not friends?
No, we are off air. No, not friends. We are off air.
Party?
Colleagues. But certainly not television friends.
Merciful Redeemer.
I'm tired.
Yeah, why was that tiring?
That's violence.
No, it is a pink one. I was showing you some love. This is really bad. How old are we now? We can't lift up 4 balloons each and put it in a one container.
I'm alright.
That's sad. If you can kick it in there, kick it in. Kick it in. You can't get it in, no. It don't go in. Kick it in. Goalie, come now, play goalie. We're going for a break.